Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to download a list on Propwire. So this is going to become particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you found a list and you want to go ahead and download that list from those filters. How do you actually go ahead and download that? Either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that on Propwire, let's go ahead and select the lead type for cash buyers. Property type we'll set to single family homes. Estimated value, we'll set this to around 600,000. For bed and baths, we'll set it to 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So now you can see that my search results have narrowed down to around 15,000 search results around Las Vegas. What you're going to do is that you're going to select this drop-down icon and then click on Select Max. So with that, click on this icon or button here and then click on Download. So with Download, they have two options. You can either skip trace and download, which is going to give you the direct contact information of these individuals, or you can just click on Download. So notice that if you are you sure you want to download without a skip trace? Skip tracing reveals the homeowner's phone number, email addresses, social media, profiles, and more. So with skip trace, you basically have a better chance at reaching the homeowner so that you can actually solidify that deal. So if I click on yes, download only, it's going to allow me to download the property ownership details, MLS listings, tax details, foreclosure details. So notice how I've selected 10,001 properties, but I can only download 10,000 properties at a time. The first 10,000 on my list will be downloaded. So once I click on download 10,000 properties, it's going to generate a CSV. And with that, you'll also see access to my CSV once it's finished downloading from that page. But that right there, guys, is how to download a list on Propwire. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.